it's alright. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is one way get down. I want to taste consumption. Be fast territory, stop snitching. Hear the children singing aloud to music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree, let it free. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many corners in my pockets. Don't know the 40% in my pocket. Unpacked laces, yeah. Just creeping on daydreams. Got dirty little alibis playing. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
I had a dream. I got everything over. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare. To anyone who might care. Thought I could fly. So I stepped off the golden room. Nobody cried. Nobody even knows the sun's still right there. Kinda thought they might care. I had a dream. Got everything I wanted. But when I wake up I see you with me. And you say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why they don't deserve you. I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. They called me weak, like I'm not just somebody's daughter. It could have been a nightmare, but it felt like they were right there. Don't feel like yesterday was a year ago, but I don't wanna let anybody know. Cause everybody wants something from me now, and I just felt it. I had a dream, I got everything, but when I wake up I see. And you say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why they don't deserve you. If I knew then would I do it again? If they knew what they said would go straight to my head, what would they say instead? If I knew it then would I do it again? Would I do it again? If they knew what they said would go straight to my head, what would they say instead?
driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting your favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than the sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting your favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than the sunshine in my eyes. La 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 la
Knock 'em off to fade. I'll pull you in, I'll pull you back to what you need initially. It's just one call away, and you'll leave him yours loyal to me. But this time I'll let you be, 'cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should.